camper van is not just a vehicle, it is a whole adventure waiting to happen. From the moment you see it, you know it is different. It stands tall with 8 massive wheels, a long and wide body, and a presence that feels both powerful and luxurious. Its front grille is sharp and elegant, inspired by Mercedes designs, with chrome accents that shine under any light. The LED headlights are modern and bright, lighting up roads even in the darkest places. This van is built to go anywhere. Mountains, deserts, forests, snow, and highways. It can handle it all. The 8 wheels are one of the most exciting things about this camper van. Most vehicles have 4, some trucks have 6, but this one has 8. That gives it extra stability and grip. If one wheel slips on mud or sand, the other 7 wheels keep the vehicle moving forward. The tires are huge and thick, designed for rough terrain. Stones, dirt, water, snow, or sand, they don't stop this van. The suspension is reinforced, which means even on bumpy or rocky roads, the ride inside feels smooth. The body is strong, but still looks beautiful. It feels almost armored, yet the design is sleek. The paint options, metallic graphite or pearl white, reflect light beautifully, making the van look like it belongs in a luxury car showroom. On top of the roof, there are solar panels that provide electricity. This allows travelers to run lights, fans, and appliances even when they are far away from cities. A satellite antenna also sits on the roof, keeping navigation and communication simple, no matter how remote the location. The side windows are panoramic, giving passengers a wide and clear view of the outdoors. Whether you're driving through mountains, forests, or deserts, you can enjoy the scenery from inside. Side steps make climbing into the tall vehicle easy, and integrated storage compartments hold tools, camping gear, or extra supplies. Every detail on the outside is designed for both adventure and comfort. When driving, this camper van feels strong but controlled. The engine is powerful enough to carry the heavy body, all passengers, and supplies. On rough roads, the 8-wheel drive system spreads the weight evenly, helping the van stay stable. The suspension absorbs bumps, so passengers do not feel every rock or hole in the road. Steering is firm but smooth, giving the driver confidence even on difficult paths. On highways, it can comfortably cruise at 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, fast enough for long trips. Off-road, the speed is slower for safety, but the van still moves steadily over rocks, mud, sand, and dirt. Inside, the motorhome feels like a small luxury home on wheels. The lounge area is cozy and bright, with soft, comfortable seats and warm LED lights. Panoramic windows bring natural light inside, making the space feel open. The small kitchen is practical and well designed. It has a counter, cabinets, and enough appliances to cook simple meals. It's compact but functional, perfect for making snacks or small dishes while traveling. The bathroom is simple, clean, and easy to use. It has a toilet and a small space for essentials like tissues. It's not a large bathroom, but it's enough to stay comfortable on long journeys. Above the lounge, there's a bedroom space with a small single bed. The bed is cozy and soft lighting helps passengers sleep comfortably. Small storage areas hold personal items like clothes or bags. Every detail inside is designed to provide comfort while being practical for the camper van size. The driver cabin is impressive and functional. The steering wheel is solid and comfortable, while the dashboard has clear digital displays showing speed, fuel, and other important information. The controls are easy to reach and simple to understand. The driver's seat is designed for long trips, keeping the back supported even during hours of driving. Every detail is made for comfort, safety, and control on both highways and off-road paths. Performance is one of the strongest points of this camper van. The engine is powerful, designed to handle the weight of the vehicle, passengers, and supplies. On rough roads, the 8-wheel drive system spreads the weight evenly, helping the van stay stable. The suspension absorbs bumps, so passengers do not feel every rock or hole in the road. Fuel consumption is higher than a normal car because this vehicle is large and heavy, but people who buy it are more interested in freedom and adventure than saving fuel. This van is made for exploring, not city driving. Safety is very important in this camper van. The body is strong and protects passengers in case of an accident. The large size makes it stable, even on uneven roads. The headlights and rear lights are advanced, helping drivers see clearly at night. The brakes are heavy-duty, stopping the vehicle safely even with its weight. Every feature contributes to a safe, reliable, and secure journey. In terms of features, this camper van has everything needed for a long adventure. Solar panels provide energy, panoramic windows offer incredible views, roof storage and side compartments keep supplies organized. The 8 wheels and heavy-duty suspension make off-roading comfortable. LED lighting inside makes the interior cozy. The compact kitchen allows for simple cooking, and the bathroom makes traveling long distances comfortable. The bedroom provides a quiet place to rest, and the driver cabin is designed for long hours of driving. Every feature is carefully designed to make traveling enjoyable and stress-free. The estimated price for a Mercedes-inspired 8x8 luxury expedition motorhome in the United States ranges from $600,000 to over $1 million. This is very expensive, but it is not just a vehicle. It is a mobile home, a powerful off-road machine, and a luxury experience combined into one. The price reflects the technology, luxury, and capability packed into this camper van. This camper van is perfect for people who love adventure. It's for those who want to travel across mountains, deserts, forests, and highways without giving up comfort. It's for explorers, travelers, filmmakers, or anyone who wants a unique experience on the road. It's not for everyone, but for those who can afford it, it offers freedom, safety, and luxury in one package. Driving this camper van off-road is an experience unlike any other. On muddy paths, the 8 wheels work together to prevent slipping. On rocky trails, the suspension absorbs shocks, so passengers barely feel the bumps. On sandy deserts, the van glides smoothly without getting stuck. On highways, it drives steadily and comfortably. It can handle every type of road, making long trips more fun and less stressful. Even though the camper is huge, it feels surprisingly controlled. The driver can maneuver it safely in most conditions. The 8-wheel drive system helps in situations where other vehicles might get stuck. The reinforced suspension keeps the ride smooth for everyone inside. This van makes off-roading feel safe and luxurious at the same time. The exterior looks strong and bold, but the interior feels warm and welcoming. The lounge provides a place to relax, read, or chat with family or friends. The kitchen allows for simple meals, while the bathroom and bedroom provide comfort on long trips. Every part of the motorhome is built to balance toughness and comfort. For children, this camper van is exciting and safe. They can enjoy the wide windows, soft seating, and cozy bedroom. For adults, it's a combination of luxury and adventure. It allows families to travel long distances in comfort while having the freedom to explore remote places. It is a vehicle built for both safety and excitement. The design is thoughtful. Solar panels allow off-grid travel, panoramic windows offer amazing views, side steps make climbing in easy, storage compartments keep everything organized. The 8 wheels and heavy-duty suspension make off-roading comfortable. LED lighting inside keeps the interior warm and pleasant. The kitchen and bathroom make it functional. The bedroom provides a place to rest, and the driver cabin is designed for long hours of driving. This Mercedes-inspired 8x8 luxury expedition motorhome combines power, safety, luxury, and adventure. It is a vehicle that lets you explore without limits. It is not just about moving from one place to another. It's about enjoying every moment of the journey. It allows people to experience freedom while being safe and comfortable. It is a building of engineering, design, luxury, and adventure. Every wheel, panel, and interior detail is designed to make long-distance and off-road travel easier and more enjoyable. It shows what is possible when technology meets creativity and comfort. The Mercedes-inspired 8x8 luxury expedition motorhome is a rare vehicle that allows people to travel far, explore nature, and live in comfort at the same time. It is strong, safe, luxurious, and perfect for off-road adventures. It is more than a camper van. It is a symbol of freedom, adventure, and luxury combined. Whether driving on highways, climbing mountains, or exploring remote forests, this camper van performs excellently. It balances power, comfort, and safety perfectly. It allows families and adventurers to experience the joy of travel without worrying about rough roads, limited space, or lack of comfort. This camper van is an experience. It is about freedom, adventure, and comfort. From the moment you sit behind the wheel to the moment you rest in the bedroom after a long day,